Hello everyone, and welcome to my new video tutorial series, Vilayer DayZ package server customization. I've done in the past, about 9 months ago I think it was, I did a DayZ ST server customization series. As you can see, lots of stuff. DayZ ST is nowhere anymore. Basically they've only got one server. You can only get your server hosted in Los Angeles, California, so that's the west coast of the US. So if you're in Europe, it's going to be like 200 ping. Their customer service support is nowhere. If you have a problem with your server and you email them because they haven't got any ticket system, you won't get a reply. And with my last server, which was Lingor, I think, I got an email from them saying, oh, we noticed your server was on old hardware, so we've moved it. I think that was actually a lie, because they moved it to Los Angeles, California, and now all the other servers have gone. So yeah, so I closed it, and I'm not going to go back to them. So I've gone to Vilayer. I thought I'd give them a try. Now, setting up a server with Vilayer is different from doing one with DayZ ST. They all have their own way of doing things. So I went onto, and they don't seem to have a knowledge database or a forum where you can get advice or help. Their customer service does seem to be pretty good. I have to say, I've taken out a couple of tickets and they've been answered reasonably quickly, and politely as well. Okay, so I went onto their YouTube channel, and all their videos are out of date. Their tutorial videos, they're not helpful at all. Like, for example, first steps after ordering your game server. This video is outdated. Please watch DayZ package new customer welcome video instead. That doesn't exist. It doesn't click to anywhere. So I thought, well, if they're not going to do it, I'll do it. So when you order a server from them, pay through PayPal or whatever, you will get an email saying that your server's being provisioned, but not to do anything with it yet because it's not ready, and that you'll get an email telling you when it is. Now, unfortunately, they don't send the backup email. What they do is they send it here. DayZ package provisioning complete. So when they send the email though telling you it's being provisioned, they also have the information for you to be able to get onto your AC player panel. So come onto here, check to see if there's an email saying that the provisioning is completed, and then you're ready to go. Now, automatically they install DayZ Chernarus. There's one problem. It's an old version of DayZ Chernarus. It's 1.8.5, so you can't, for example, I downloaded this a while back, Arma 2 DayZ mod from Steam. It's free if you've got Operation Arrowhead and Arma 2, or combined operations. And that's now in version 1.8.6.1, so you can't launch it with that because that's a newer version. You also can't launch it with DayZ Launcher because the latest version, the only version on DayZ Launcher, is 1.8.6.1 as well. You can't launch it with DayZ Commander because the latest version on DayZ Commander is 1.8.3, so I've only got that installed. So I don't know what version I've got on my hard drive, because I've got two, because obviously there's two. There's the DayZ mod, Arma 2 DayZ mod that's on Steam, and let me show you. Not control panel. Steam apps, common, Operation Arrowhead. So we got DayZ. It doesn't tell you what version it is though, which is kind of a shame. I mean, in the credits, it just literally is the credits. Doesn't say. I don't see anywhere there that says what version it is. Didn't use without permission, so it doesn't say anything about what the version is. Mod CPP. Oops, sorry, that's opened on the other screen. That doesn't tell you what version it is. It just says what directory, name, picture, launch, and the link to DayZ forums. So I have no idea what version that is. Vilayer haven't updated their mod, and this one's installed by default, by the way. I'm not going to be using that, so I'm going to uninstall that. Okay, that's that uninstalled. So what we're going to do is we're going to install a different mod instead. I think I'm going to do Chele. I did Chele before, and I do like Chele. Oh yeah, also one of the things I was pleasantly surprised to see is blast code and JSRS. So you can install that, and then people can play using JSRS sound mod on your server, which a lot of people like to use, me included. So I'm going to install Chele, DayZ Chele. Okay, that's done. Now we're going to install Backlight Extended Controls. Okay. Server Messages is a simple application which is designed for you to make it ultra simple to send messages at a specific time interval so you can announce server restarts, etc. It's third-party software. It's up to you to understand how it works in order to use it. Battle icon, blah, blah, blah. I don't think I actually need that. Right, so we've got everything we need. So now we're going to go into configuration files, and the first one we're going to is here, which is the master configuration. This is where you put in your server name, what you want to call it. So it's DayZ Chele, JSRS, custom map, self bag. So these are all things that I'm going to be adding and showing you how to do, of course. Take clothes, refuel, strip vehicles, full moon, what else? House lights, and more. Doesn't need to be passworded. Message of the day. Welcome, welcome to Titus Grown Gaming Chile. Put an exclamation mark. I've already put my messages of the day. Welcome to Titus Grown Gaming. No swearing, racial or religious insults in chat. Respect other players. No kamikaze. Have fun and keep coming back. And what the restart times are. So it's going to be restarted every 4 hours. I'll show you how to do scheduled restarts, and that's UTC is the time zone. With warnings. So what you do is it starts off with 4 of them. If you want any more, you just put a comma at the end. Get the next line is another message. There we go. Save that. You can put in your admins. Just going to get my GUID, so we'll be needing that. If you haven't got that, the way to get it is to log into the lobby of a server. You'll see it come up on the screen in red. There is a code you can put in actually to get it. Client, I can't remember. Okay. Actually, you can get it off DayZ Commander. I'll show you if I can remember. Under settings, there you go. Copy your GUID to clipboard, but I've got a feeling that's not it. I don't think that's right. It isn't. Let's open a notepad and paste it in. No, that's different. That's not it. So yeah, there's a lot wrong with DayZ Commander. So yeah, the only way to get it is to log on to a server, and if you do a Google search, how to get GUID DayZ number 2. How to find your GUID. Yeah, that's it. You just log in, join a server, and just type that into chat, and it'll come up with yours, and then you'll have to write it down because you can't copy and paste it. So it's kind of a long process. Right. I'm not bothered about bandwidth settings. Now, is this going to be empty? No, good. Oh, it just can't. Sorry. I want to find where you put in. I don't think this is going to have anything in it. Okay. That's not anything I need to worry about. No. So I'm trying to keep this as short as possible. It might be on here. What I'm trying to find out is where you put, whether it's recruit, regular or veteran server. It's not that one. So I put my maximum ping at 200. The default was 300, which is way too high. Maybe it's in the hive innie. No. That's things like what map it is and what time, what server time it is, or what server time zone. Your host IP and your port, what your database is used, what type of database it is, what the database is called. No. Okay. Right, so now I'm going to show you how to do scheduled restarts. So you go into scheduled tasks. I'm just going to delete this so I can do it again so you can see how to do it. Right, so you go into scheduled tasks, click new, scheduled restart. So you've got different new. I'm going to call this 4-hour restart. We're going to have the first one at 6 AM. Daily. Repeat tasks. Set these both to hours. So it's going to be 4 hours in every 24 hours. So that's saying it's going to be daily, recur every day because it's repeated, repeat every 4 hours for 24 hours. So there we go. That's our scheduled restarter in. There'll be messages saying okay. Advanced options. Keep current command line. Yep. So there we are. You can also do scheduled database backups. So you can DB backup daily, repeat, and what we're going to do is we're going to do this every hour for 24 hours. So there we go. So that's our scheduled tasks. We got every hour the database is backed up and every 4 hours the server's restarted. Right now we're going to start the server and we're going to log on to it. Now, as this is using Chele, I'm using Let Me Play Launcher, so you need to have DayZ conflicts, then DayZ Chele, then MBG Chele, and as I'm using JSRS as well, I have community-based add-ons and JSRS. Save favorites. Okay. Right. Now I'll see you on the server. This looks like on the road from Helentor. So as you can hear by the sound of the footsteps, JSRS is running. I'm going to see if I can find a gun to show you that JSRS is running. So that's a Glock 17, okay. I'm a little bit concerned as to why the zombies aren't aggroing. So I think this message that's coming out. I might be able to get rid of that by taking off that third-party message thing. And let's see what this sounds like. No, nothing's aggroing. What's going on? That's a pretty horrible sight, isn't it? Okay, so server's up and running. In the next episode I'm going to show you how to back it up onto your computer, I mean. Oh yeah, I'm in combat. And then we're going to start editing the map. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Bye for now.